Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to share Google Drive with others. So firstly sign in your Google Drive and here is the settings, share with me. So firstly guys, you can open new folder, give the name share, or you can type drive 1 like this, create. Now right click on it, here three dot, and click on share. Now enter the name, so enter email address where you want to save this drive. Select it. You can give any message, and here you can select editor, commenter, or viewer. So if you select this one, so this guy can use properly this drive. I mean this guy can edit, delete, or add any file or folder in this drive, then send it. So this way guys, you can share. I have this error, but you are using the first time, so you will not get this error. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.